Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and as you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. Okay, and as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you people can understand in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is I'm giving number to each and every video, so you can understand in a better way, because many a time what happen, if there is no number 1 2 3 4, then you get confused. Sometimes you see 15 video, sometimes you see 80 video, sometimes you see 16 video, so you get confused. So it's better that if you come sequence wise, you will understand in a better way. Okay friends, so and do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get a notification, friends. Okay, so I will start today's topic. In our last video I've covered the topic called, would it be correct to say that automatic writing is a spiritual practice? Okay friends, so in this video I'm going to cover the topic called, why don't all souls who have passed away communicate with their loved ones? Don't all souls want to ease the pain and suffering of their loved ones on the earth? So this is the topic which I'm going to cover today. So I will start, friends. Okay, the name of the topic is, why don't all soul who have passed away communicate with their loved ones? Don't all soul want to ease the pain and suffering of their loved ones on earth? This the video number is 84th. So let's see what Vipsi and Ratu is telling. Some soul on earth are gifted mediums who have the ability to receive messages from the spirit world. Some are born with this gift. It is a gift they have earned over lifetime. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri that some soul who are born with a gift, lifetime gift, that they can receive message from the spirit world. So this is their gift, and which they have acquired by taking lives after lives. After taking lives and lives, they have acquired this talent, and it is a spiritual mission. Also, not all soul on the earth believe in an afterlife or in God. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri that it is their spiritual mission, right? To take message from the spirit world, help the society, and even all the soul are not even they believe on afterlife or they believe on God. They believe on the concept of a single life concept. People say they do, but they do not live their lives accordingly. So they have failed in their test. As a result, their loved ones are not allowed to communicate with them. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling via Koshat Bhavnagri that many a time what happen, many soul they say that I don't believe in afterlife, or many a time people say that I believe in afterlife, but they do not believe the in afterlife concept from the heart. So this soul, their departed soul, are not allowed to communicate because they are said, if their your loved ones doesn't believe on afterlife, then what's the use of communicating with them? And you cannot communicate according to the God's law. The first thing spirit soul need is faith. If you look for proof, you will never find it. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri that the first thing which spirit soul need, that is faith. Faith in God, faith in Lord Almighty. And if we look for proof, we are not going to find it out, right? It's going to be very difficult for us because we won't be able to get such kind of proof. We should have a strong belief system to believe that yes, God exists and there is a afterlife concept. You may say that you are human and you need proof, but the truth is that you want proof, you don't need it. Uh, Here there is a very interesting thing which is being said here, telling you may say, we may say that we are human and we need proof, but the truth is that we want proof, but we do not believe it. In your heart, you know God exists, and people who go to the spirit world are still alive. Only logic prevents you from accepting it. So, in our heart, many times we know that God exists and people who have left us, they are alive in the spirit world. But our heart doesn't permit us to believe that this is true. We say, no, it cannot happen. This is not true. This is false. If we gave you proof, there would be no test. After losing their loved ones, some people become very bitter and angry, and they blame God instead of seeking his help during the tough time. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, even if the spirit world gives us proof, we won't believe it. And many a time what happens when we lose our loved ones, we cry for them, we feel bad for them, and we even accuse God for this, even apart from asking for a help from a God. So in this situation, if any such situation come in our life, we should pray to God that help us in this strong situation, in this weak situation. We should do that. Apart from accusing God, for you all this happened, we should not do that. They turn away from him. It is only natural to feel pain, but try not to become bitter and angry. So if we feel pain and bitter and angry, so those soul turn away from us. So always we should feel, if we are in pain, it's okay, but we should not feel bitter or angry for that soul who have left, who have departed us. We should have love, affection, and compassion for that soul. Even though it is very difficult, use that pain to help others. Do not be consumed by the pain and blame God. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling there might be many situations where we feel right, why this thing happened to us, we are in pain, but in this situation we should not be in pain. We should keep belief in God, and we should understand, yes, God is there, and God will show us the good godly path, and we will not be in problem because God is there with us. We should have complete 100% faith in God. Communication can only occur if there is true love between the human being and the spirit being. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri that the communication can only happen under one circumstances, that if there is a good relation between us and the soul who have departed, right? The love should be in both sides. Their soul long to be touched with each other. Initially, the spirit being want to provide comfort to the earth soul, but eventually the aim is for both soul to progress spiritually. So when soul goes in the spirit world, so that spirit souls think to how can we ease the pain of the earth, the soul who are living in the earth world. But after a long time, spirit soul also think that eventually that we both spirit should progress in our life. However, if the earth soul has fallen to a very low realm, then communication is not permitted. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri that if the earth soul who have fallen in the lower realms, then communication is not at all possible. If the earth soul is in the lower realm. So you friends know what is lower realm. So those who doesn't know, I will tell them to you what is realm. There are total 7 realm. 1, 2 and 3 is considered to be the hell. Fourth is considered neither hell or neither heaven, and fifth, sixth realm is considered to be the heaven. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling about realm, low realm means 1, 2, 3 are the low realm. Because the earth soul subconscious mind is on the verge of going to sleep. Because those who are in the earth, their subconscious mind is always in the urge to go to sleep. They don't want to see the truth. What is the truth? They only want to, they feel bitter relationship about that soul who have departed from us. But this should not happen. We should always pray to God that God, you please help us to ease our situation, and God will definitely help us. If you choose to be strong and are open, we are allowed to reach you in order to restore your faith. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri that if we are strong, if we do not break, and we think that yes, God will help us, and we pray to God, God please help us, then from the spirit world communication comes, and God help us. Please understand that there is a spiritual law at work here. The law is neutral, it is not biased. So in the spirit world there is a law, and this law is neutral, it is not biased. If you are on the right path, spirit soul do their best to reach you. So if we are on the right path, the spirit soul is going to do the best thing to reach us. Even through you are in pain, you must still be receptive. Although we are in pain, we should be receptive. We should be in a receptive position, that from spirit world you give us intuition, what can we do for our betterment. There are so many spirit souls trying to reach out their loved ones on earth in order to comfort them. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling there are many spirit souls who are trying to reach the earth soul to comfort their pain so that their loved ones doesn't be on pain. But it is often not possible simply because people on the earth do not believe in an afterlife. So here in the earth it is not at all possible because nobody believes in afterlife. They do not trust that there is a afterlife concept something. Their minds are not open to the possibilities, and the question of communication therefore does not arise. So their mind are not open for the communication. So um, the communication doesn't arise. We are prepared to take many steps towards you, but the first step that of faith, of having an open mind, has to come from you. That is the spiritual law. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri that from the spirit world they are ready to take 100 steps to communicate with us. But first that we will communicate with you, this thing should come from our soul. That yes, I want to communicate from you to our departed soul. Okay. So this thing should come from our soul. So friends, today's this topic came to an end. Today's the name of the topic was why don't all soul who have passed away communicate with their loved ones? Don't all soul want to ease the pain and suffering of their loved ones on earth? So this topic today we have completed. In our next video, I am going to complete the topic called what are the benefits of automatic writing. So friends, this topic came to an end. As I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you see the number and if you come sequence wise, you will understand in a better way. If you come 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 videos, sometimes 14th video, sometimes 15th video. Okay. So and friends, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And if you have any doubts you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I read each and every comment and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you do one thing, you can connect me on Instagram. You can directly message me, DM me in Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell for you: ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE1906. So any doubts you have, you can directly pin me on Instagram. So okay friends, so this bring end to our video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, stay happy, stay blessed, and let us all do a good karma, and let us all meet in the spirit world. And you will say, I used to see your video and today we all are in the spirit world. Okay, bye friends. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy, and always lead a beautiful life. Try to help others. Okay friends, bye. I will meet you in the next video. Okay, till then, goodbye friends.